everyone, today we will take you through the operation of LY shaking table. When you at first receive the machine, remove the package and unfasten the metal wire securing the deck. Due to the long distance of transportation, please make sure to tighten all connecting screws. Installation requirements are as follows. 1. Secure the shaking table base to the floor using expansion screws, making sure it is level. 2. This unit is equipped with a 0.75 kilowatt 3-phase motor operating at 380 voltage and 50 Hz. A starter switch is included. Simply connect the power supply to this switch. 3. A water supply system capable of delivering 100 to 500 kilograms per hour is required. Once these conditions are met, let's go over how to operate this equipment. Before starting, add lubricating oil to the head motion box until the level is above the internal oil tube. This ensures the oil pump works properly. Change the oil every 3 to 6 months. Note that the pulley must rotate clockwise, otherwise the internal oil tube won't circulate oil. The deck is made of fiberglass. Material is fed here, and the water is supplied here. The head motion drives the deck in a reciprocating movement. This side is the tailing zone, while the concentrate and middle lanes are discharged from the triangular plunger at the end. Avoid feeding material beyond half the deck's width to prevent loss. Adjust water flow so that the entire triangular section is covered. For first-time use, we recommend to clean the deck with detergent to remove the wax coating. This helps water spread evenly. The deck slope is adjusted using this screw rod, depending on mineral separation. Important note: 1. Wash the deck after each use to avoid sand particles hardening in the grooves. 2. The fiberglass deck is wear resistant but not impact resistant. 3. The shock and frequency were preset at the factory. Do not adjust the handwheel on the head motion by yourself. Well, that's all for today. If you have further questions, feel free to contact us. See you!